Roughing in line sets and cables doesn't have to be rough. Save yourself some time, money, and hassle with the RoughinBox. The RoughinBox protects line sets and cables from damage and shields drain outlets from dirt and debris. Easy to install, easy to access, and easy to hook up. The RoughinBox fits perfectly between standard wood or metal studs at 16-inch centers. The 3.5-inch depth fits inside any standard wall cavity. A hinged faceplate with retainer clamps provides easy access when roughing in line sets and wiring and protects them during the sheetrocking process. The improved RoughinBox model RBX3 MDNC now includes an extra line set port on the bottom. This new model also accommodates vertical or horizontal condensate discharge for either high wall or height restricted applications. An evaporator drain hose can connect directly into the drain outlet using the supplied drain adapter. The linear drain pan slope guarantees complete drainage. The RoughinBox is 14 inches wide, 8 inches tall, and 3.5 inches deep. Get more information about the RoughinBox here, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.